Essential oils have been used for centuries for their healing and therapeutic properties. When it comes to acne and dry skin, there are several essential oils that can help improve these conditions. One of the best essential oils for acne is tea tree oil. Tea tree oil has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce acne breakouts and inflammation. It can also help unclog pores and reduce excess oil production. Another essential oil that is great for acne is lavender oil. Lavender oil has soothing and calming properties that can help reduce redness and irritation associated with acne. It also has antibacterial properties that can help kill acne-causing bacteria. In addition to tea tree oil and lavender oil, other essential oils that can help with acne include rosemary oil, clary sage oil, and chamomile oil. When it comes to dry skin, there are also several essential oils that can help hydrate and nourish the skin. One of the best essential oils for dry skin is jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is very similar to the natural oils produced by the skin, making it an excellent moisturizer for dry skin. It can help hydrate the skin without clogging pores or causing breakouts. Another essential oil that is great for dry skin is rosehip oil. Rosehip oil is rich in vitamins and antioxidants that can help repair and rejuvenate dry, damaged skin. It can also help improve the skin's elasticity and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. In addition to jojoba oil and rosehip oil, other essential oils that can help with dry skin include argan oil, coconut oil, and almond oil. When using essential oils for acne or dry skin, it is important to dilute them with a carrier oil before applying them to the skin. Carrier oils such as coconut oil, jojoba oil, or sweet almond oil can help prevent skin irritation and sensitivity. It is also important to do a patch test before using any new essential oil to ensure that you do not have an allergic reaction. In addition to using essential oils topically, you can also benefit from inhaling their aromas through aromatherapy. Diffusing essential oils in a room can help reduce stress and anxiety, which can contribute to acne breakouts and dry skin. Some essential oils that are great for aromatherapy include lavender oil, chamomile oil, and eucalyptus oil. In conclusion, essential oils can be a natural and effective way to improve acne and dry skin. Whether you choose to apply them topically or use them in aromatherapy, essential oils can help reduce inflammation, kill bacteria, and hydrate the skin. With so many options to choose from, you can find the best essential oils for your skin type and concerns. So why not give them a try and see the amazing benefits for yourself?